Well, somebody is enjoying the snow. He's like, what snow? I'm good. Bear's taking it a little easier, or Prince is rather. Let him take care of a little business there. And Prince is over there. So this is what it looks like where I am. Okay, I'm gonna give you some privacy over there. I know you gotta do what you gotta do. It's a winter wonderland down here, North Georgia. My garden over here is, well, I do have a garden over here. I'm gonna have to get in there today. I know that sounds crazy, but I noticed when I looked out the window. So this is my garden. It's covered with snow, obviously, but there's also a frost cloth there. Unfortunately, I guess maybe yesterday, the wind blew the frost cloth off of my cabbage right over here, and some collard greens further down, and some broccoli. And I see a couple broccoli heads that are ready. So, also, further down, my raised bed with carrots, beets, and onions. It came off of that, so I'm going to need to do something about that. So let me get some gloves on because it's cold, and I'll get out here and take care of that. I think most everything will survive. It's probably I get down to about 21 yesterday. I'm not sure what it is right now, maybe about 30, 31. It's still snowing a little bit. Actually, it feels a little more like sleet. So let me get out here and cover the stuff back up and maybe harvest those broccoli heads before they get damaged. Look at him. You think he was a puppy, but he's about 8 years old. You enjoying it, Prince? Well, I guess he is. He took his time to get into it, but now he's like, hey, this is kind of fun. And here comes Bear. I know this is not my typical video, but sometimes you just have to take what God gives you and enjoy it. Okay, you guys are taking care of all your business, so I have to get back to work. This is I'm working from home, so anyways, I'll probably have to take care of the rest of the stuff when I come get my snow break. Okay, as usual, Bear likes to bark during the videos, so I shall be back. So this is my side garden. I did the cut and come again method on my mustard greens last week in preparation for this. And no, I didn't cover a thing. So this is kind of right now this is almost an experiment. I will probably come out here later on, maybe knock some of the snow off of the leaves once it stops snowing. But hoping these guys survive and thrive. We shall see.